Hello there! Today we're gonna show you how to make a burning tree using only aluminium foil and hot glue. First, we take a piece of aluminium foil and we push it together while we spin it just a little to make the lines we want. Then we spin them together. This is the base of the tree, and we open it to make the roots. Use hot glue to glue them together. Now, cut some more small pieces to make more roots. Open up the top of the tree. We make some more pieces for the branches. And glue them in the opening of the top. And now fill them with smaller branches using the same technique. Use a card box for the base. Now let's make some rocks with foam for the tree to stand on. Use PVA glue in the base and sprinkle some rocks and dirt on it. Now use a mixture of PVA glue and some black paint to the base and the tree. With this, everything will be stronger and durable to handle, and it will be our first layer of paint in one go. Now we'll use brown paint for the base. Then mix some brown and white paint and dry brush with the tip of the brush the base. Use the same mixture of paint to base paint the tree. Now dry brush it using white paint. And use any dark wash on the tree after it's dry. Then we are gonna apply PVA glue in the base and sprinkle the grass. Now, for the flames, we're gonna use hot glue. Apply the hot glue in the edges of the branches and try to pull the hot glue slowly in the direction we want to cool it off. If we want to see how to make the flames in more detail and in smaller scale, watch our other video with the special doors with torches. After we are done, we will use watered down yellow, orange and red paint. We will paint the base of the fire with the yellow paint. And then mix it up with the orange paint. And for the tip of the fire, we will use the red paint. Now, for the flaming sword, we will use a popsicle stick. We cut it like this, and then in the middle. Then cut a toothpick for the handle. And the other piece in the middle. Cut a very small piece from a barbecue stick and glue them together like this. Use any paint you like to paint the sword. We used gold, brown and silver. After it's dry, use hot glue to make the flames on the blade and paint it. Now we're gonna apply PVA glue for some extra details on the base and tree and sprinkle grass and flock. Use different colors of grass and apply them on top of the darker one. You can stop there if you want, but if you want to make it more spicy, we can add some smoke. Use cotton for the next step or pillow filling for more durability. Cut it in the shape you want and use any black spray paint you have to paint them. After they are dry, put on top of the tree and glue them in place using hot glue. And for the final step, use the same technique to paint the smoke. Yellow in the base and orange and red as you go up in the smoke. Use only the tip of the brush so it will apply only in the edges of the cotton. And we are done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy crafting!